We are out here at an archaeological site that is absolutely amazing. And in the background here, you see the excavation units, and we have 30 kids and 30 adults working with us for the Texas Archeological Society Field School. We probably have thousands of years of continuous occupation, people coming back to this spot.
There you go.
Nice. Oh, that's a big one.
Ancestral Tonkawa, Umano, and Caddo Indians. Getting some good stuff?
Absolutely.
And we are excavating an earth oven feature.
We believe this is the very edge of a flat stone cooking rock.
This probably was a dart point at one point, but they've reworked it, and so now that the edges are all rounded off, and so they made it into a little tool. So it's been recycled and reused.
Every flake out here is potentially a tool, and so we have to look at them very closely to look for evidence of use wear or minor modification. We screen every bit of the dirt. Then we find things like this. And you look at the grooves here. If you have an arrow shaft and you want to smooth it out, you could run it back and forth in that groove, nice and even, and making it the shaft that you want. And you can look right down that and see the groove right there. This is sandstone, so in a sense, think of it as sandpaper. That's a cool tool.
4 1-meter squares. It's called 2 by 2. And you're at the top of level 4, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so you've got a long way to go.
The Texas Archeological Society is really about educating people about archaeology.
I'm going to show you guys friction fire, which is the way that ancient people were able to do a fire.
We teach them about the importance of preserving our past.
That is a hefty ember.
We have to promote these ideas of preservation, conservation. That's what this is all about.
And there you go.
Over there, they found it too.
And of course, we're with the youth group, and our job here is to get the kids out here and let them have some fun while they're learning.
Okay, are you ready for some more dirt?
Yep.
Okay, here you go. Thanks for sifting for us. You're doing a good job.
I found this.
Show me. That's a really nice flake there. Good job.
We found broken off dart points and arrowheads in every level so far. The first thing you do is usually go to somebody a little higher up who knows their points better, and then if they say it's a point, you go and ring the bell over there.
Good job. Go out there and ring it.
Yeah, just ready?
Wow, that is a big piece.
Madison, why don't we put this right where you found it so we can map it together, okay? We're looking at a large piece of pottery. First, we have to map it so we know exactly where we found it in the level. What number is that?
5 by 6.
After that, you grab a bag and you label it, and then all of that stuff goes to the lab.
We know it's punctuated.
Punctated. And that's what we're seeing on this. And you see how smooth this surface is? We're talking about a vessel that's probably 16, 18 inches in diameter. This is a good find, guys. Give me a high five. High five. High five. High five. All right.
Is this a bell ringer though?
What do you think?
Yes.
Yes. It's a bell ringer. This is Caddo pottery that they found in place and mapped it and got an elevation on it. So this is excellent. Ring the bell. They're finding artifacts, they're learning how to document those, and they're learning real archaeology.
And make sure it's tight. Is it tight?
Yes.
Good.
Oh, that's a nice one. You can see where it broke off on that one side. So imagine it would have been quite a bit bigger, and it broke off, but you can see the battering on this end. And so I've been doing archaeology since I was about 14 years old, and that's the age of a lot of the kids that are coming out here. This is an influence on them for a lifetime. So yeah, that's a very neat tool. And these kids, there we go. These kids are the future of archaeology. It's all about learning and having fun and camaraderie, but on the bigger picture, it helps us put out an ethic of preservation and conservation for prehistoric resources and historic resources across the state of Texas.